Hey everybody, it's Rhonda, and in this video, we are going to make this a bad day to be a hot dog preppy style design for 4th of July. You could even use it for Memorial Day if you wanted to make yourself a shirt before Memorial Day holiday next week. So I thought we would jump in and make one of these real quick this morning. This style of shirt is just selling like crazy. The preppy with the pinks and blue backgrounds, things like that. So I thought it would be fun to make one of these. Okay. So I'm going to jump in here to Render Studio. And here's the one I made earlier today that you see on the shirt here. So we're going to make one similar to that. Okay. So I'm going to click onto my blank page here. And I am going to resize this to 1250 by 1250. And that's just my personal preference when I am creating, because when I upscale at the time of export and I do all my things, I get my 5000 by 5000 image that I want. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the background and I'm going to turn that transparent just because it helps me see things better. And then I'm going to come over here to the left to the add image area. And I'm going to open the elements library. Now that library is only for paid users. You need a basic pro or agency account to use it. But I'm going to grab this pink background here, these like brush strokes. I'm going to size it up and I'm going to come over here and change the color of it. And I'm going to go with a red because, we're doing I'm trying to decide, do I want it that bright? Let's go there. A little darker. Or do we want to go with the pink? How about something right about there? Okay. So I'm going to change that color there. All right. And I think let's check the community gallery, see what we have in here. Is there anything we can use from here? Now, we could have used one of these backgrounds as well if we wanted to. We actually have this cute raccoon holding hot dogs. We might use him. Yeah, I think we're going to use him. Make it a little bit different than the others. And I'm just going to click remove background on that. All right. And we're going to make him a little bigger. And I think I might, we're just going to leave him standing straight up and down. You could do just the watercolor. We're just going to do the watercolor hot dog. Let me go into my history. And anything I use today, I will actually put into the community gallery so it's available for anyone to use, not just paid members. Okay. Just so I think I'm going to use that image. I'm going to use that image and not that hot dog. Let me look through here. I made a bunch of hot dogs the other day. And like I said, I will make sure every element I use today is in the community gallery so that you can use these elements for your own version if you want. Okay, and I'm going to remove the background on all these things here quick. And let's go. Okay, so we have our hot dog down here. I'm going to make him a little bigger. And then instead of all the stars, I have this cute little watercolor bow. Put that there. This cute little rocket. And I think we'll put him down here. He's shooting off that way. And we will add some stars too. But let me look again here. Let me grab some more of those watercolor elements that I made. Let's see what we've got. How about this cluster of stars? And I think the cluster of stars, and I think that's it. We're just going to use these stars. All right, let's remove the background from this. Okay, great. And we're going to resize them. Move them around. Nope, I'm going to go with those. I'm going to use the stars from this. So let me go into the elements library again. And I know they're in here. Grab a few of these. All right. Now I'm happy. Now I have what I wanted. We still have our cute bow, but yet I'm not. I'm going to get rid of those because they just don't match. They don't go with the vibe, That's just how you roll. You make something, you look at it. If you're not happy with it, you just get rid of it. So I brought these elements in, and like I said, I will make sure these are all in the community gallery so that anyone can use them. All right. Anytime I do a video here in Render Studio, anything I use, I will make sure is available for anybody, not just paid users. So let's come in here. Let's keep him about that size. And now we'll come over here to the text box, and I'm just going to write, it's a bad day. Make this bigger, tilt that, and I'm going to select my font. I think I'm going to go with my 5-borough handwriting or casual brush. Nope, I think the 5-boroughs handwriting is better. Okay. So let me make that smaller, make it bigger, stretch that out. Okay, it's a bad day. Then I'm just going to duplicate this. So I already have my font, pretty much my size to be a hot dog. All right, so there we got it's a bad day to be a hot dog. I'm going to make my hot dog bigger now. Okay, and we can move our stars around wherever we want them. We can, oops, duplicate them, move some around, add more. It's completely up to you. Go. And I think I'm going to keep this one, bring it up here, or over here, keep it again. Alrighty, I think I like that. And now I think I'm just going to change the font color. And I think I'm going to use the blue that is in the stars here. So blue, I know, and it looks really bad right now, doesn't it? But we are going to put a white stroke on these so it doesn't look so bad. So we're going to scroll down here on the right. I'm going to turn on stroke, and I'm going to make the stroke probably about 10. And I'm going to change the color to white, just like that. Again, turn on the stroke, put it up to about 10, and change the color. So I think that looks pretty good, just like that. And from there, all you would do is I would recommend flattening this so it is all one layer. And then we go to export, and it should have the page you're working on. If you're working on multiple pages, we have it set to transparent PNG, print ready, and it will upscale for us right now at the time of exporting. So we're going to select upscale, and then I have it resized to 5,000 by 5,000 because that is the size I like to make all of my designs. And then you can choose here, do you want to download the file, save it to your history, or both? I'm going to do both because once this downloads, then I'm going to go in and show you this design on a mockup. Okay. So rather than having to upload it again, I'm just going to save it to my history. So it'll take just a minute for it to do the upscale and export. But this is a really fun design, and they are selling super, super well. Let's do pink hot dog. All right. Okay, so now let's come over here. This was the one I did earlier. So let's come down here to the bottom, replace that image with the one we just did. There we go. Send that in and create the mockups. So here we go. Here's the new one that we just did. It's a bad day to be a hot dog. That looks absolutely adorable. Here it is on the big T. And we have it on the little girl. And you could add all kinds of elements to this if you want to. But this is just a really popular style right now. And, 4th of July this year is going to be huge in the US with our 250th anniversary. Not that 4th of July isn't always a big thing in the US, but I expect it to be even bigger this year. So take advantage and make as many patriotic designs as you can and watch them fly out the door. All right. So that's how you do this. It's a bad day to be a hot dog in a preppy style design. Pick your own colors, do what you want. It's up to you. But I just thought I'd show you how easy it is to make them. All right. So if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments. As always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it more than you know. And be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.